How do we add your debit card to Robinhood? If you want to fund your account quickly, go to the website or open the Robinhood app, then log into your account. Once you're on the dashboard or home screen, look at the top right corner and tap on Account, then go to Transfers. Scroll down a bit until you see Linked Accounts, tap on Add New Account. You'll see two options here: debit card or bank account. Choose debit card. Now it will ask you to enter your bank details. This includes your card number, expiration date, and CVV at the back of your card. After entering everything, Robinhood will ask you to verify your card. This could be through a small test charge or a verification step, depending on your bank. Just follow the prompts, confirm the details, and once verified, your debit card will be successfully linked. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more useful content.